In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator to enable two-factor authentication on your LinkedIn account. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring a second step to verify your identity. This usually involves a code generated by your authentication app, like Google Authenticator, in addition to your password. Let's dive right in and make sure your LinkedIn account is secure. First, open up your web browser and head over to the LinkedIn homepage. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to sign in to your account. Simply click on the Sign In option, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. After entering your username and password, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn home. From your homepage, click on your profile picture or icon. You'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the Settings and Privacy option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can manage everything related to your account and privacy settings. Once you're on the Settings and Privacy page, navigate to the Sign In and Security tab. Here, it's all about keeping your LinkedIn account safe and secure. Within this tab, find Two-Step Verification. Clicking on this will bring up all the options you need to set up two-factor authentication for your account. Now, before we proceed, make sure you've already downloaded the Google Authenticator app on your smartphone. If you haven't, pause this video. Download the app from your preferred app store and then come back. It's available on both Android and iOS. Back on LinkedIn, go ahead and click on the option to set up two-step verification. You will need to confirm your current password for security reasons, so go ahead and enter that when prompted. Afterward, select the Authenticator app option. In this step, LinkedIn will show you a QR code. Open your Google Authenticator app and look for an option to add a new account. You'll likely see a plus or add button. Tap on that. When prompted, choose the option to scan a QR code. Use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your LinkedIn page. Almost instantly, Google Authenticator will add your LinkedIn account and start generating time-sensitive codes. After you've scanned the QR code, you'll see a 6-digit code appear in the Google Authenticator app. Enter this code into the provided field back on the LinkedIn setup page. Once you've done that, LinkedIn will confirm that two-step verification is now enabled. And there you have it. Your LinkedIn account is now protected by two-factor authentication using Google Authenticator. This extra step helps ensure that only you can access your account, even if someone else gets hold of your password. Remember to keep the Google Authenticator app handy whenever you need to log in. Stay safe online, and thank you for watching.